If you love working on cars like I do, you're going to enjoy this one. Today, I'm checking out 19 new automotive tools on Amazon that can seriously upgrade your garage setup. From smart battery chargers to powerful impact wrenches and advanced OBD2 scanners, these tools are designed to make diagnostics, repairs, and maintenance faster and easier. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a weekend mechanic, there's something here for you. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. 10-amp smart battery charger. The 10-amp smart battery charger is a must-have for keeping your car battery in top shape year-round. I love how it automatically detects 6V and 12V batteries, making it perfect for cars, motorcycles, boats, and even lawn equipment. The intelligent charging system prevents overcharging, overheating, and short circuits, which gives me peace of mind when leaving it connected overnight. It also features a clear digital display that shows charging status and voltage in real time. In colder months, the repair mode helps restore weak batteries and extend their lifespan. Compact yet powerful, this charger is easy to store and simple to use. If you're tired of dealing with dead batteries, this smart charger is a reliable addition to your garage toolkit for daily drivers or project cars. 180 PSI Portable Tire Inflator. The 180 PSI portable tire inflator is one of those tools I never realized I needed until I had it. It's compact, lightweight, and powerful enough to quickly inflate car, bike, and SUV tires. The digital pressure gauge is accurate and easy to read, so I can set my desired PSI and let it automatically shut off once it reaches the target. That means no overinflating and no guesswork. It plugs into your vehicle's 12V outlet, making it perfect for road trips or emergency situations. Some models even include LED lights for nighttime use, which I find incredibly useful. It's not just for tires either. You can use it for sports balls and inflatables. Keeping proper tire pressure improves safety and fuel efficiency, and this inflator makes that simple and convenient anytime.
The P100 Plus Circuit Tester. The P100 Plus Circuit Tester is a powerful diagnostic tool that saves me time when dealing with electrical issues. Instead of guessing which fuse or wire is causing the problem, this tester lets me quickly check voltage, continuity, and polarity. It connects directly to the vehicle battery and uses a long cable, giving me flexibility to reach different components around the car. The clear digital display and audible indicators make troubleshooting straightforward, even if you're not a professional mechanic. I especially like the ability to activate components directly for quick function testing. It's ideal for checking switches, relays, and wiring faults without tearing apart half the dashboard. If electrical problems intimidate you, this tool simplifies the process and helps you diagnose issues faster and more confidently in your garage. The Orion 5-piece ball joint tool. The Orion 5-piece ball joint tool set is built for serious suspension work. If you've ever tried removing a stubborn ball joint without the right tool, you know how frustrating it can be. This heavy-duty press kit makes the job much smoother. It's constructed from durable forged steel, designed to handle tough applications on most cars and light trucks. I appreciate that it includes multiple adapters, so it works with different sizes and configurations. Whether you're replacing ball joints, U-joints, or brake anchor pins, this kit gives you the leverage and strength you need. It's compatible with most standard press tools and can be used with a ratchet or breaker bar. For anyone tackling suspension repairs at home, this set delivers professional-level performance without needing a shop visit.
12-volt automotive smoke tester. The 12-volt automotive smoke tester is a game-changer for finding vacuum and intake leaks. Instead of guessing where air might be escaping, this tool pumps visible smoke into the system so leaks become obvious within minutes. I find it incredibly helpful when diagnosing rough idling, poor fuel economy, or check engine lights related to air leaks. It's easy to set up, just connect it to the battery and the system you want to test. The smoke output is consistent and thick enough to clearly reveal even small cracks or loose fittings. This tool works great for testing evap systems, intake manifolds, and vacuum lines. For DIY mechanics who want professional-level diagnostics at home, this smoke tester makes troubleshooting faster, cleaner, and much more accurate overall. Testlong two-way borescope. The Testlong two-way borescope lets me see inside areas that would normally require major disassembly. With its dual-lens camera design, I can switch between forward and side views, which is incredibly useful when inspecting engine cylinders, intake ports, or tight spaces behind panels. The high-definition display provides clear visuals, and the adjustable LED lights help illuminate dark areas. I like that it's compatible with smartphones or comes with its own screen depending on the model. The flexible cable makes maneuvering inside small openings much easier. Whether you're checking for carbon buildup, inspecting valves, or looking for hidden damage, this tool saves time and effort. Instead of tearing apart components, you can inspect first and make informed repair decisions with confidence and precision.
Auto Trim Removal Tool Set. An auto trim removal tool set is essential if you want to remove panels without causing damage. I've used screwdrivers before, and trust me, that usually leads to scratches or broken clips. This set is made from durable, non-marring plastic designed specifically for safely prying interior and exterior trim pieces. Whether you're replacing a stereo, fixing wiring, or upgrading interior parts, these tools make the process smoother. The ergonomic design gives good leverage while protecting delicate surfaces. Many kits include multiple shapes and sizes, so you can handle different clips and panels easily. It's also handy for removing door panels, dashboard components, and even exterior trim. If you enjoy customizing or repairing your vehicle, this affordable tool set prevents costly cosmetic damage every time. Electrical Disconnect Plier Set. The electrical disconnect plier set is perfect for separating stubborn connectors without breaking them. Modern vehicles use a lot of plastic clips and fuel line connectors that can be tricky to release by hand. I like how these pliers are specially shaped to grip and squeeze connectors safely. They're ideal for fuel lines, evap lines, and other quick connect fittings. The long handles provide extra leverage, making it easier to access tight spaces under the hood. Instead of forcing connectors and risking damage, these pliers help you work smarter. The durable construction ensures they hold up under repeated use. If you're performing fuel system repairs or working on emissions components, having the right disconnect tool saves time and avoids unnecessary part replacements during maintenance. 6V12V Battery Load Tester. The 6V12V Battery Load Tester is a straightforward yet powerful diagnostic tool. I use it to quickly check the health of car and small vehicle batteries under load conditions. Instead of relying solely on voltage readings, this tester simulates real-world demand to see how the battery performs. The analog display is easy to read, and it gives immediate feedback on whether the battery is good, weak, or needs replacement. It works with both 6V and 12V systems, making it versatile for different vehicles. The heavy-duty clamps ensure solid connections during testing. If you're unsure why your car struggles to start, this tool can quickly confirm whether the battery is the culprit. It's simple, reliable, and great for preventative maintenance checks. Ventus EVAP Smoke Tester. The Ventus EVAP Smoke Tester is designed to pinpoint leaks in your vehicle's evaporative emission system. I find it incredibly useful when dealing with persistent check engine lights related to EVAP codes. It produces thick, visible smoke that makes even small leaks easy to spot. The compact design means it doesn't take up much space in the garage, yet it delivers professional-level performance. Setup is straightforward and it works with a standard power source. By identifying leaks in hoses, seals, or the charcoal canister system, you can fix issues before they become costly repairs. For anyone serious about diagnostics, this tool removes the guesswork. It's a smart investment for improving accuracy and saving time during troubleshooting sessions. Autoline EVAP Smoke Machine. The Autoline EVAP Smoke Machine takes leak detection to the next level with consistent and controlled smoke output. I'd appreciate how quickly it heats up and begins producing smoke, saving time during diagnostics. It's ideal for testing EVAP systems, intake systems, and vacuum lines. The durable construction gives it a professional feel, and it's built to handle repeated use. With precise pressure control, you reduce the risk of damaging sensitive components. This machine makes tracking down small leaks far easier than traditional methods. Instead of replacing parts blindly, you can visually confirm the issue first.
If you want dealership-style diagnostic capability in your own workspace, this smoke machine delivers reliable results and helps eliminate unnecessary repairs and frustration. Ansel BA101 Battery Tester. The Ansel BA101 battery tester is compact but packed with advanced features. I like how it provides detailed information about battery health, voltage, internal resistance, and cranking performance within seconds. It works on 12-volt batteries and supports various battery types, making it versatile for different vehicles. The digital display is clear and easy to navigate, even for beginners. Instead of guessing whether your battery is failing, this tester gives accurate, data-driven results. It's especially helpful before long trips or seasonal changes. The plug-and-play design means no complicated setup is required. For anyone who wants a quick and reliable way to monitor battery condition, this tool makes preventative maintenance simple and helps eliminate unnecessary repairs and frustration.
SPTA Mini Rotary Polisher. The SPTA Mini Rotary Polisher is perfect for detailing and paint correction in tight areas. I love using it for headlights, door handles, mirrors, and other small sections where larger polishers struggle. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to control, reducing fatigue during longer jobs. Despite its small frame, it delivers impressive power and adjustable speed settings for precise polishing. It's great for removing light scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation. Many kits include various pads and attachments, making it versatile for different surfaces. Whether you're restoring headlights or refining paintwork, this mini polisher adds professional-level finishing touches. For car enthusiasts who care about appearance, this tool helps achieve a cleaner, glossier finish with minimal effort. Xtool A30D OBD2 Scanner. The Xtool A30D OBD2 scanner brings advanced diagnostics right to your smartphone. I really like how it connects via Bluetooth and works with an app, turning your phone into a powerful scan tool. It reads and clears trouble codes, displays live data, and supports multiple vehicle systems beyond just the engine. That means deeper insights into ABS, transmission, and other modules on supported vehicles. The interface is user-friendly, making it accessible even if you're new to diagnostics. It's compact enough to keep in your glove box, ready whenever a warning light appears. Instead of heading straight to a repair shop, you can quickly identify issues yourself. For DIY mechanics, this scanner offers convenience, flexibility, and impressive functionality in one device.
Wiper Arm Puller Tool. The Wiper Arm Puller Tool makes removing stubborn wiper arms simple and damage-free. I've struggled before trying to pry off wiper arms without the right tool, and it usually risks bending components or scratching the windshield area. This tool applies even pressure to safely lift the arm from the spline. It's compact, easy to position, and works on most standard wiper arms. The sturdy construction ensures durability while protecting surrounding parts. Whether you're replacing worn wipers or servicing the motor assembly, this tool saves time and prevents frustration. It's one of those small tools that makes a big difference. For quick maintenance jobs, having a dedicated puller ensures cleaner results and avoids unnecessary repairs caused by improper removal techniques. 240 PCS Bumper Retainer Clips. The 240 PCS Bumper Retainer Clips kit is something I always recommend keeping in the garage. If you've ever removed a bumper, splash shield, or interior panel, you already know how easy it is to break or lose those tiny plastic fasteners. This kit includes a wide variety of clip sizes and styles that fit most common applications. I like that it comes organized in a storage box, making it easy to find the right piece quickly. Instead of running to the store for one missing clip, you'll have backups ready. These retainers are made from durable plastic designed to handle vibration and weather exposure. For anyone doing bodywork, trim repairs, or underbody maintenance, this affordable kit saves time, money, and frustration during reassembly jobs.
CC 1200 Newton-meter Impact Wrench. The CC 1200 Newton-meter impact wrench is a powerhouse that makes lug nut removal feel effortless. I love how much torque this compact tool delivers, making it perfect for tire changes, suspension work, and heavy-duty fastening jobs. It's cordless, which gives you freedom to move around without dragging an air hose or extension cord.
The variable speed trigger provides better control, especially when tightening bolts back into place. Many kits include multiple batteries, so you're not stuck waiting for a recharge mid-project. Despite its strength, the ergonomic design keeps it comfortable during longer tasks. Whether you're working on wheels, engine mounts, or stubborn bolts, this impact wrench delivers serious performance. It's a game changer for both home garages and mobile repair setups. 27-inch flexible clamp pliers. The 27-inch flexible clamp pliers are a lifesaver when dealing with hard-to-reach hose clamps. I've used standard pliers before, and accessing tight engine bay areas can be incredibly frustrating. These pliers feature a long, flexible cable that allows you to reach around obstacles with ease. The locking mechanism holds the clamp open, freeing up your hands to reposition hoses comfortably. That extra control makes coolant hose, radiator, and fuel line jobs much smoother. The durable construction ensures they can handle tough spring clamps without bending or slipping. If you regularly work under the hood, you'll appreciate how much time and effort this tool saves. It turns awkward, cramped tasks into manageable jobs and reduces the risk of damaged hoses.
Topdon BT100 Battery Tester. The Topdon BT100 Battery Tester is a compact and reliable tool for quickly checking battery health. I like how simple it is to use. Just connect the clamps, select the battery type, and get instant results. It tests 12-volt batteries and provides clear readings on voltage, state of charge, and overall condition. The bright digital screen makes the information easy to understand, even for beginners. Instead of guessing whether your battery will survive another season, this tester gives you confidence with accurate diagnostics. It's small enough to store in your glove box, which is great for emergencies. For routine maintenance or troubleshooting starting issues, the BT100 delivers dependable performance and helps prevent unexpected breakdowns before they happen.
So those were 19 new automotive tools on Amazon that can seriously upgrade your garage setup. I always believe having the right tools not only saves money, but also makes every repair more enjoyable and efficient. Whether you're diagnosing electrical issues, testing batteries, or detailing your ride, there's something here that can make your life easier. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know which tool caught your attention the most. Don't forget to check the links below, subscribe to Auto Gear Insider, and I'll see you in the next review.